Hi, my name is Ian Orange and this is a quick video update of what I have been up to and where I'm at now. The module is at the midway point. Most recently I have been developing my personal logo, which I think is completed. I'm happy with it now. Also I've been looking at how I can use that across a strong and creative brand. I've also successfully installed my first JavaScript plugin, which was for the drop-down menu for my blog archive, which I'm really happy with. Other things I've been looking at are web accessibility issues. I've been looking into how websites can be customized for people not as able-bodied as others. Certainly colour blindness is one issue, with high contrast issues for your website. Another thing is I've been looking at lightbox technology, instead of using image sliders, which I think they look good, they're effective, but they're not quite as interactive as I would perhaps like, but I felt it important to look at them anyway. I've also been looking at responsive websites. I think now more than ever it's important to understand that the web is being used differently. It's not just using a browser on a computer now. People are using a variety of different devices, from mobile phones to tablets to even iPods. So it's important to understand that websites need to adjust based on the devices being browsed at. I've also been looking at search engine optimization. I think it's important to have a good search listing, especially when you're wanting to design for clients, as I am. They obviously want their website to be number one, so it's important to have a good understanding of how to make that happen. One thing I have been looking at quite a lot, and will continue to do so, are jQuery image slider plugins. I really like the image sliders, and they offer something different and quite dynamic to the site, and it's an absolute great way of showcasing your work. So I want to have a look at what different variations that are out there, not just on jQuery plugin sites, but also on the sort of similar sites to what I want to produce. Freelance designers, other designers showcasing work on there that are using this sort of technology, which will be interesting to learn a lot more about that in the coming weeks, for when I start to build my site, which hopefully shouldn't be too far away now. We'll get some sketches up soon. I've also arranged to catch up with a couple of web developers in the coming days. I've got an interview with a web developer called Steve, based at PAB Studios in Wakefield, and also I've arranged with a web developer called Rich Partridge to sit down and interview them on the industry and where they sort of see it going, where it's come from, where they're at now, and the things that they're having to sort of overcome with the sort of latest demands of the industry. And hopefully the blog post will be up ASAP. As for future progress, now that I've got my brand in place, I'm going to be sort of looking at promotional packages for my corporate identity, and also we'll start to commence initial sketches and ideas for my website, and I think it should start and come together nicely.